What to do? Welcome back. Bit of a weird trading day for me. We're up $365 on the day, which is a great trade. I actually took two positions and I needed to close early because my software was bugging on me and I was getting sort of scared that I wasn't going to be able to manage the position. So I got it to a secure point where I could. I just closed on 365 and I'm happy with that. We probably are going to hit my full take profit, but that's okay. I'm not going to complain. I was bearish on the day, and eventually I'm going to remake this bias video because I think I might have the best bias finding strategy in this fucking space. And all I do is combine my combination of three. So I use CRT originally. So if you don't know what CRT is, it is a candle range theory. I'm just going to briefly explain that. Use the three candles. Your first candle is your range. Your second candle is your decider. So this is our range because it's, open to close. All right. So the next day we swept highs and then we closed within side of this range. So the candle range theory leads you to believe that the next day will be bearish. So that is like my strongest bias finder every day when I hop on the market. The next is when I go and I check the trends on the high time frame charts, the 1 hour and 4 hour. So I check, we're bearish on the 4, we are bearish on the 1. Okay, so I was like double bearish. Those are like really all you need. And the final one is the 15-minute range. So our first 15-minute candle at 9:30, when that closed, we had a 5-minute candle close with, outside of that 15-minute range. So 1, 2, 3, right here, we closed outside of that 15-minute range. I took this trade pretty late. I'm not gonna lie. I woke up late. I like didn't even get on the chart until like 9:20. So I was already skeptical on taking a trade. I missed yesterday's trade. I had a lot of things to do, so I just decided to sit out because the price had a slow movement and it didn't really move until later in the day, around 11 or so. However, we're looking very well. Like I said, this is probably going to hit full take profit. I took a bit of a random entry. We were just sinking downwards. We swept these two high time frame liquidities like off the rip. Well, I say off the rip. It's like within 15 minutes of everything opening. And I'm almost surprised that we didn't come up here and sweep this first. So, as you can see, I took my trade. I took two positions. I took the first trade, which is only a single contract on this candlestick. I took it a little early, but we closed below, so it was great. And then up here, when we tested this 5-minute fair value gap, I took the trade. I re-entered with two contracts, so basically a full contract day. Because if you don't know, my $50,000 combine only allows 3 contracts per trade. So I was just like, you know what, I'll make it a full day. I put 2 contracts in here, and I actually set my second take profit like all the way to the next liquidity zone, which would have been like $1,000 day. But I don't care. It's not about the number. It's about the trade itself. So lately, guys, I've been trading so simple, and it's been really working out for me. It's not a 100% proof plan, but I've been doing very, very well for myself. So it was a lot off this 5-minute fair value gap. We actually disrespected it, and then we came up and tested this one. Originally, on that first trade, I was like taking a 1-to-1 above these, but we made 2 on the way down, so I decided that that was, the safer mitigation for myself. And it worked out. I'm a little tired. I'm sorry. I probably should have taken the trade, but with a little help from my boy, we he helped me kind of decide my own bias as well. But I knew we were bearish. Oh my gosh, exposed me. I'm a copy trader, but I didn't see his chart or anything. He just said he was bearish, so that's why I ended up entering late. I probably could have entered from these mini little 1 minute order blocks. So they opened here. 5 minute probably looks way, way, way better. So this is our final move up. Before we sweep liquidity, we came up with this candle, retested the range, and we sink. I could have taken the trade off of that. Let me see, actually. I'd like to see this. Bam. This is where I could have taken the trade when we closed below this and had a much safer position with stops up here and take profit here. But that's okay. We're green on the day. We are up $863 this month. Price has been looking so much better. We have so much bearish news, like cloud space or something is down today. I couldn't even check news because of it. So it's affecting like a ton of websites that use it. It's for like safety reasons. It's used for like security. So I bet that was a big part of us dropping as much as we did today. I can't complain. I gotta get my average winning trade above my average losing. That is a beautiful average losing trade considering my limit is 250 for the day. Obviously, I was risking like 500 actually, so I could have very easily and very closely almost wiped out all my wins from the other day. Because it was like I said, when I put another position in with two contracts, it increases to like $550 right here. And my take profit was like 670. These trade recaps are pretty short, but I can't complain at all. Man, I wish I had something better for you guys, but at least you're looking at your boy catching dubs lately instead of just boring $50 losses and terrible $800 losses like I was doing in the past couple weeks. But yeah, this was just kind of experience. Like I just kind of sensed that we were going to go this low, which I know sounds crazy, but it worked out. And hey, for those of you who stayed in the position, Godspeed to you. I really hope that you hit full take profit. I'm sure you will. Okay, if you want to watch any of the other videos, go back and watch it. I also have a Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok that I've just recently made. I'm going to place those somewhere like, well, I guess I'm down there. I'm down here. So I'm going to place those up there. Boop, boop, and boop. I hope that looks cool. I got some editing to do. But that being said, you guys have a good one. Another video, another short will be coming out this week. And if you have any ideas of what you want to see, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll make a little video for you. That's all I want to do is just help people. So let me know. But deuces.